The iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Sony A7V are built for completely different worlds, even though both can produce professional quality images and video. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is a flagship smartphone built around convenience, computational photography, and an all-in-one experience. It uses the A18 Pro chip and a multi-lens Pro camera system that relies heavily on software processing like Smart HDR, Deep Fusion, and computational night mode to produce sharp, vibrant images straight out of the camera. It excels in quick shooting, social media content, video consistency, and ease of use, especially with features like Dolby Vision recording, cinematic mode, and excellent stabilization. However, its small sensor size and fixed lenses mean it still relies on AI processing to simulate depth, zoom, and low-light performance, rather than true optical physics. The Sony A7V, on the other hand, is a full-frame mirrorless camera designed for serious photography and filmmaking. It uses a much larger sensor, interchangeable lenses, and far more manual control over exposure, focus, color grading, and depth of field. Compared to the iPhone, it delivers significantly better dynamic range, low-light performance, background separation, and overall image quality when paired with quality lenses. It also gives photographers true creative control over aperture, shutter speed, ISO, and lens choice, something the iPhone simply cannot match. However, it requires more skill, time, and investment in lenses and accessories, and it is far less convenient for casual or everyday shooting. In short, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is best thought of as a powerful, always-with-you content creation tool that prioritizes speed and simplicity, while the Sony A7V is a dedicated professional imaging system built for maximum quality and control. Many creators actually use both. The iPhone for quick capture and video on the go, and the Sony for high-end photo work, cinematic projects, or anything where ultimate image quality matters. The iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Sony A7V are built for completely different worlds. Even though both can produce professional quality images and video, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a flagship smartphone built around convenience, computational photography, and an all-in-one experience. It uses the A18 Pro chip and a multi-lens Pro camera system that relies heavily on software processing like Smart HDR, Deep Fusion, and computational night mode to produce sharp, vibrant images straight out of the camera. It excels in quick shooting, social media content, video consistency, and ease of use, especially with features like Dolby Vision recording, cinematic mode, and excellent stabilization. However, its small sensor size and fixed lenses mean it still relies on AI processing to simulate depth, zoom, and low-light performance, rather than true optical physics. The Sony A7V, on the other hand, is a full-frame mirrorless camera designed for serious photography and filmmaking. It uses a much larger sensor, interchangeable lenses, and far more manual control over exposure, focus, color grading, and depth of field. Compared to the iPhone, it delivers significantly better dynamic range, low light performance, background separation, and overall image quality when paired with quality lenses. It also gives photographers true creative control over aperture, shutter speed, ISO, and lens choice, something the iPhone simply cannot match. However, it requires more skill, time, and investment in lenses and accessories, and it is far less convenient for casual or everyday shooting. In short, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is best thought of as a powerful, always-with-you content creation tool that prioritizes speed and simplicity, while the Sony A7V is a dedicated professional imaging system built for maximum quality and control. Many creators actually use both. the iPhone for quick capture and video on the go, and the Sony for high-end photo work, cinematic projects, or anything where ultimate image quality matters.